Hello and welcome. Now, the next step that you are going to want to take is you are going to write a Udemy course outline. And you'll see as soon as you have created your login ID and you go into creating your first course, you're going to be asked to create course goals. And one of the first things you're going to be asked is what knowledge or tools are going to be required. And what you want to think about here is whether or not there's going to be some kind of level of knowledge that your students are going to need to have in order to take your course. Typically, if you're going to be creating a beginner course, they aren't going to have prior knowledge of what you're going to be teaching them. However, if they're going to need some kind of specialized technology, this is where you want to tell them that in this dialog box. Now, if you're going to require more than one set of knowledge, you're going to click Add an Answer, and you're going to keep writing in the requirements, and you want to be as specific as you can when you write in the requirements for your students. Once you've written in your knowledge and tools, you'll then want to click Save. You'll then want to write in a target student. Once again, you'll want to be specific about your answers, and every time that you need to add one, you're going to click Add an Answer. Once you've completed that section, you'll then click Save again. Now, the next step in the course outline is what goals do you plan for your students, or what will they be expected to accomplish? So you'll want to write in as many goals specifically as you know they'll be able to accomplish. What you want to do here in this section is you want students to measure whether or not they've been successful and whether or not you've been successful in teaching them. Now, once you've written all the answers that you will have for this section, you're going to click Save. Now, once you've completed the Udemy course outline, you are now ready to go to the next step. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.